Hello guys and welcome back to another crypto update. So let's start with the bullish case for Bitcoin and then going to destroy everything and going with the bearish case. So first of all, we know that we were in this consolidation period, we broke to the upside and currently we have the pullback, currently retesting this resistance as support. Also on the 4-hourly chart we can see that it is the pullback in a falling wedge, so technically it is a bullish pattern. So we could see some movement to the upside like this. Okay, so that is the only bullish case right now I'm seeing. And now moving to the bearish cases. I've been covering this broadening wedge and this bear flag. We can see that we faked out of the bear flag to exactly being rejected with this broadening wedge. Also, we've been rejected with the EMA ribbon. So once we are again in this bear flag, we are currently still waiting the 13k bear flag target. Also, and this is quite in confluence with the daily, and it is scary for those Bitcoin holders, the weekly chart. We can see, and I've been I've been talking about from previous videos, this broadening wedge, which we broke to the downside, got supported by the high of 2017, and we did the pullback, and we are currently being rejected, and this is the scary part, by this broadening wedge trend line. Also on the RSI, we can see that this falling wedge pattern has broke to the downside also and is doing the pullback and currently being rejected also. So guys, the 13k target, which was the 2019 high, and if we zoom out on the monthly, we can see that this line is of significant value, because also although it wigged to the 19k level in 2017, it closed around that area too. So this line is of great importance, this line of 13.8k. And as I said, on the weekly, after this pullback, I am waiting to go to the downside again. We have the daily bearish cases, we have the weekly bearish cases, and only one bullish case on the daily. So I think we are still waiting for the 13k. That was it guys, only short, up to date and straight to the point video. See you on the next one.